guys, today I'm going to be making a simple chickpea curry. So I'm doing it with my dad. He's here. And so I'm going to say tell you the units. So first thing, garlic. Then we're also going to use some red onions, pepper, tomatoes, tofu, ground mixed spice, some toasted sesame oil, chickpeas, coconut milk, rice, ground cumin. I don't know if I've said mixed spice yet. Tell me, say in the comments if I have. Curry powder, chutney, and pork buns. So the first step that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cut up these three things, I think. Actually, no, not this, but you can just get the skin off. So while you're cutting up the vegetables, or if you've already done that, then you will want to put some toasted sesame oil in the pan. So about a glove will do. And also, if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause the video at any time so you can catch up. So about a glove of oil there, and then just spread it. About.
You turn the clicker on, put it on number 7.
Okay, now I'll put it on number 7. Wait, oh yeah, you can just turn it on.
Ask a grown up to help if you're not confident using ovens.
So probably get a grown up to help you with that. So while you're waiting for it to heat up, you can finish chopping the vegetables. But if you've already done that, then you can just wait for it to heat up. So now you want to put in the vegetables, but if you've we don't need to put the tomatoes in yet, so if you cut them up, don't worry, that's totally fine. Just put them to the side because we're going to be using them later.
So it's onions, garlic and peppers.
Yeah.
And you can do what you like with the garlic. You can crush it, you can dice it, you can put it in whole if you like. I've sliced it in this case.
Yeah, so mix it for a bit until it until it's a bit more cooked. So
yeah, you want to cover all the vegetables in oil, don't you? So they're nice and coated, and then we'll just leave those to cook for a few minutes.
Yep. So you want to get 225 grams of tofu, but slice them into like 1 centimeter cubes, or 2. So like about this big. And you're gonna take about a pinch of each of these. So the ground cumin, the ground mixed spice, and the medium curry powder. So like you take a pinch about each, so like that much. Sprinkle that on the top, and then about that much, and then that much. So putting. Yeah, so you put some. Once you've done that, you might want to wash your hands because they might smell a bit funny and they might have some dust on them. So yeah, so once you've done that, you wash your hands and mix it up for a minute or 2. So once you've let it mix for a bit, just let it like everything get mixed up. So you want to pour the chickpeas in. And before you pour them in, you want to drain them. We've already done that. And you also want to put the coconut milk in. So pour them in, and then pour these in. Okay. And then once you've poured them in, give it a stir for a bit.
Perfect. Well done. That looks great.
There we go. So mix them for a bit, and then and just let it all mix up. That's so satisfying.
Let's turn it up a bit.
So if you like, these are just the things that you can add if you like. If you don't have them, then you don't have to add them. So some rainbow peppercorn, some chilies, crushed chilies, some salt, and some tomatoes.
There's a tin of tomatoes. We're going to put that in just to give it a bit of colour.
Just
And we might also put in some cherry tomatoes as well.
Just to give it a colour.
Give that a good stir. Yeah, to give it a bit of colour because it's looking a bit pale.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nobody wants a pale curry.
No, you want a deep sort of
a deep colour, not
red,
like a pale
orangey reddy colour.
Yeah, not a pale colour.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go watch TV while we let this reduce because it's gonna take quite a long time. So you deal with it. See you in a minute. Also, this is just if you want to. So if you want to, you can add some cocoa powder in, and that might make it a little bit nicer, but you don't have to.
It gives it a nice deep colour.
Dog. Carlos. Stop.
Well, that looks delicious.
Yeah. So now it's basically all finished. And the last step is just putting some rice on the side, plate, or wherever you want to put it. Then you add some of that on the top, and then it's perfect. So I hope you enjoy it, and also thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also comment. I like to hear your thoughts. Yeah, it makes me. Please like and subscribe. It makes me very happy. If you don't want to, that's fine. And thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.